So let's talk about the women's reunion. So often at the end of a body electric event, I hear people say, how can I keep this in my life? How can I maintain this? Where do I find this kind of beautiful, expansive, erotic energy in my day-to-day life? We have decided to host a one-day women's erotic massage exchange reunion. And this is for women who have experienced a body electric celebrating the body erotic event or some similar event, to come together for one day to build a community and to share some beautiful massage with each other. So we're going to do all of the things that you might expect from a body electric event. We're going to make sure that people are in consent and that we have harmony and agreement around expectations and norms, what's available and what's not available. We're going to spend some time getting to know each other, doing some dialogue, doing some grounding exercises, getting into our bodies, and then we're going to share some luscious exchange.